Hi friends, welcome to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to purchase the WooCommerce hosting from SeekaHost India. Without making any further delay, let's get into the video. This video is available in multiple languages. Go to YouTube video settings and open audio track option and choose your desired audio track. First, we are going to see how to purchase the WooCommerce hosting from SeekaHost India. Go to our SeekaHost India website. At the top, you can see the services button. Click on it. There you can see the service named WooCommerce hosting. Please click and open it. If you scroll down, you can see the WooCommerce packages. Each package will differentiate in the resources. Choose the package as per your needs and your requirements. For now, I am choosing the starter package. In this page, you can see the three options. If you don't have the domain, click on register new domain option. If you want to transfer the domain to SeekaHost India, click on transfer domain option. If you want to use your existing domain, please click on use own domain option and enter the domain name and the TLD. And now click on the use button. Now you will be navigated to checkout page. In the configuration page, you can choose the billing cycle. Once you're done, please scroll down. In the additional information section, you can see the option named script. If you choose WordPress in that, the WordPress will automatically install in your hosting account. And here, enter the admin name and admin password for your WordPress. If you want to install the WordPress on the particular directory, please enter the directory name on the directory field. Now click checkout. On the checkout page, if you scroll down, you can see the billing details section. If you are a new customer, please enter the personal information and the required details to create your account. If you are an existing customer, please click on the option Existing Customer Login. Here, enter your email address and your client area password. And click on the login button. Now you can see that the billing details was fetched automatically from your account. Scroll down and choose your payment method. On the right side, you can see the checkout button. Now tick the terms and condition tick box and click on the checkout option. Now you will be navigated to payment page. In this page, please check our payment options and complete the payment to activate your order. You can use our UPI transaction method to avoid any platform fee. Please note that if you are paying the amount through UPI or QR code, once you have completed the payment, please contact our live chat support or our WhatsApp support team to verify and validate your payment. Once the order is activated, you can see that in your active product and services. Now, please update the name server details in your domain. Once the order is activated, the hosting details will be sent to your registered mail ID. If you are having the domain in the SeekaHost India, our support team will update the name servers and inform you on the ticket, so you don't have to worry about it. Once a name server propagation is done, you can log into a cPanel account. If you have any doubts or need assistance while purchasing the package, please contact our support team, they will assist you on that. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And to get notified about our upcoming videos, please press the bell icon.